Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to add password in Temu application. So first of all, open the Temu application. So here on the bottom, click on this profile icon. Now on the top right here you can see settings, click on it. Here you'll be able to see account security, select it. So here in the password section there's the option of add, select it. Here you can keep the password that you want. Now select submit. So now you have successfully added your password in Temu. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps you.